Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Soundcloud. So first of all, open up Soundcloud. Now once you're in Soundcloud, click on library at the bottom right here. And then here click on playlists and click on create playlist. Name that playlist. Let's say just playlist. You can either make it public or private. I will keep it private and click on save. Now after the playlist has been created, come back to home. Select a song that you want to add to your playlist. You can also search from songs by just clicking on the search bar right here and searching the song. I will go, let's say, the first one right here, R&B. And in here, just click on these three dots right here. And in here, click on add to playlist and select the playlist that you just created. Click on save. And that track will be added to your playlist. So that is how you can create a playlist in SoundCloud.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a playlist in SoundCloud. So first of all, open up SoundCloud. Now once you're at SoundCloud, open a song that you want to add to your playlist. Let's say I would go for this one right here. So I have opened this playlist. I want to add this first song to my playlist. So that purpose, click on these three dots right here. And in here, click on add to playlist. Now in here, it will give an option to create a playlist. Type in the playlist title. I will go for my playlist. You can keep it public or private. I will go for private and click on save. So a playlist has been created and that song has been added. You can also add other songs in similar fashion. Now if you want to access your playlist, all you have to do is to go to library, go to playlists, and you've got your playlist right here and you can play it from here. So that is how you can create a playlist on SoundCloud.